Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a Nexus account and verifying your email so uploads and downloads work smoothly. Once done, install a mod manager like Vortex or Mod Organizer 2, pick the one compatible with your game. Make sure the manager detects the game automatically and set the game folder plus a backup location for saves and mods. This prepares everything so downloads go straight into the correct structure and you avoid manual file hunting later. Search the game page, open a Mods Files tab, and choose Mod Manager Download to let your manager handle placement. Use manual only when necessary. Read the description for requirements and dependencies and install any prerequisite files first. After installing, open your manager to sort load order and enable optional patches. Use built-in conflict resolution tools. Make sure to read compatibility notes and consider merging small plugins if you approach plugin limits to prevent crashes. Activate installed mods in the manager and always launch the game through the manager's launcher so scripts and plugins load properly. Once in-game, test areas most affected by mods and look for missing textures, UI issues, or crashes to desktop. If problems appear, disable recent mods first, then use the manager's conflict view to resolve overwrite issues. Restore your half backup if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the mod's load order and dependency chain before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.